Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Long Way Round Alabama, Season 1, Episode 4. Okay, I want to give you a brief introduction of what you're going to see today. Before I do, if you don't mind, please subscribe to our channel. We found out that 88.9%, let's call it 89%, of the people that have watched the Long Way Round Alabama videos and some of the other videos have not subscribed. But yet they watch each one. So if you don't mind, if just half of you guys subscribe, that'll put us over 500, and that'll make Smoking Hot very happy with me. Because otherwise she's like, what are we doing here? So she thinks we're spending too much money on motorcycles. I don't know. Let's look at where we went today, or what you're about to watch. So you met Randy down in the Conecuh National Forest. We left Conecuh. Randy told me about a dirt roadway to get out of there to Evergreen. I could not find it, or I got lost on it, or whatever, but we went to Evergreen, which is where we visited the Conecuh Sausage Factory Deli. That was pretty neat. McGilton really missed out. They had a whole, somebody told me it's called, I can't remember what it's called. It's not a slab of bacon. It's like a firth of bacon or something. Smoking Hot will look it up and put it down below. But it was a giant thing of bacon that had not been cut, so you could slice it however thick you want. But I didn't have a good way to bring it home since we were just starting on the journey. We left the Conecuh Sausage Factory in Evergreen, and we went to Miller's Ferry. I wanted to ride the ferry over the Alabama River, but the next ferry didn't leave until like 5 o'clock, and I was already going to be late for the next trip, arriving at dark anyway. So we just kind of saw the ferry, then we come back. Oh, I'm sorry, back up. I forgot. On the way to the ferry, we went to Pineapple, Alabama, which is an old hunting ground of mine, and then through Oak Hill. And Oak Hill, my old hunting bunkhouse, which is an old store, is right there at that intersection of 10 and 21. So it was a great, beautiful ride, beautiful old antebellum homes through there. Then we came up here and we went through Selma, and then we ended up at the Oakmulgee Division of the Talladega National Forest. We camped there, and just a little sneak peek for the next day, McGilton joined us the next day and rode with us to Bankhead. Bankhead is where we found the monkey. So in episode 5 or 6, you'll get to meet the monkey. It was quite an experience. Anyway, I hope you like it, and ride safe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. All right, Greg, now you are officially missing out. Well, this was McGilton's idea, and then he's not even with me, but that's okay. On I-65 in Evergreen, Alabama, which is just a little bit south of Montgomery, at exit 96, is the Conecuh Sausage Factory. And as part of the premises, they have a retail store and a deli. So as you come in the deli, on the right side in the back is where all of the cooked goodies are. Up front, we've got t-shirts and gifts, but in the back, you have every kind of Conecuh sausage they make. You have hot dogs, chili, all of the fixins, drinks, and as you can see by the crowd, it was very good. And then on the left-hand side of the store, at the front, you have more gifts, kind of like a Cracker Barrel, but not so large. And then on the back of the left side is where you get your goodies to take home. So I'm just going to turn it back over to myself. So yes, you would expect Conecuh sausage dogs, but would you expect 24-ounce ribeye? That thing is as thick as you like it. I'm sorry, excuse me. You get the 16-ounce, but why not get the 24? Up some thick sliced hickory smoked Conecuh bacon while I'm here. Cocktail stirs, pretzel soft bread, and chips, buffalo cheese curds. What the heck? All right, here's the good stuff back here. Get you a whole case. Conecuh cracked black pepper. All natural. Cook and serve. Cajun. Original. What else we got over here? Hickory smoke. And spicy and hot. Oh, you can get it by the case. What we have here? Butternut cakes. Poppy seed casseroles. Look here, you got, oh look, that's what you need. Hickory smoked slab of bacon, just a whole slab. There it is. Okay, let's look at this. $5 per pound, 5.5. There's your slab. So you cut your own bacon as thick as you want it. I have always wanted to have thick bacon. Nobody can cut it thick enough for me. Even my New York deli man. I'm tempted to get, man, if I was coming home and could keep it, I would bring that slab of bacon right there. Excuse me. What we have here is an original Conecuh sausage hickory smoke, I think. Hickory smoke or original? I think it's original. Cracked pepper sausage on a bun with coleslaw, rotel, and onions. And then we have a bowl of chili. We may be adding some of the chili to one of these sausages, but you missed up, my friend. We are here.
Hey,
What's up?
where you at?
I am in beautiful downtown Pineapple, Alabama. And I do mean it's a beautiful little town. I used to hunt in Pineapple, Alabama. So that's where I am.
This white building with the green door and the green boarded up windows was our old hunting bunkhouse there in Oak Hill, Alabama. It's right across from the post office on Highway 21, and it's right before Oak Hill Grocery, and it was an old general store owned by the Aitken family. And Wade Aitken was our president of our hunting club, and it was his aunt that leased it to us. So it's a pretty neat place. And the Oak Hill Grocery has a whole story in itself that I'll tell sometime.
I have arrived to the Talladega National Forest Oakmulgee Division. It is dark and it is 6:30. Getting here a lot later than I expected. So you can see the lake out here. It was a ride through nothing all day long. Here it's dark and I'm the only one here. Probably have a little supper and have an early bed. McGilton's coming to see me in the morning, so good night.